As you might know, I've set myself the goal to make $100,000 of Microstock income in 2026. It is now already May and I got the feeling I'm falling behind. But I have an idea. So I have a new strategy, I had an idea, and that is to start contributing to more premium collections. And what's interesting about premium collections is that they have way higher pricing than the normal stock content portfolio. Now what these agencies do, they make use of the premium collections, for example, on Adobe Stock, but also Shutterstock there is one. And next to this they have all kinds of other channels where they publish their work from a selected group of photographers and videographers. So what I did, I made a little bit of a list. I went into Adobe Stock and there you can see all the agencies that are contributing in those premium collections. So you can find them there. Now, I think it's very difficult to publish to Adobe Stock in the premium directly, so you need to go through an agency like this that moderates all the quality and publishes through them. Now, they also take a percentage of the royalty, but what is interesting is that the pricing is way higher. As you can see here, so we have this image and that's for one image it's 250 euros. So way better than the normal collection. Now there is also on Shutterstock something like this. So this is Shutterstock offset and they also sell at a higher price. So as you can see here, an extended license is 255 euros. So that's almost $280 or so, I believe. So way higher. So I made a bit of a list of all the agencies that publish in these premium collections and I started applying to them. And of course you have to be a premium photographer, so your work has to be really good. So what I did, I made a bit of a showreel with all my best footage and I sent it into a couple of those. And so far all of them I got accepted. Welcome to my showreel. My name is Hugo and I work as a stock photographer and videographer, specializing in aerial content related to infrastructure, industry, energy, technology and urban development. In my work, I combine visual quality with commercial awareness. I focus on subjects that are in demand, such as the energy transition, battery storage, data centers, and sustainable infrastructure. I do not look only at what is interesting to film, but also what is relevant and useful for the stock market. Using drone footage, I capture locations and projects from a perspective that clearly shows skill, structure, and development. I work in a focused way, doing research in advance and identifying trends early, so I can create content that is both distinctive and marketable. What drives me is creating content that is visually strong and has real value for clients worldwide. Thank you for watching. And I sent it into a couple of those, and so far all of them I got accepted. And right now I'm already contributing to these places through to Stocksy, that is one. As you can see here, I'm already contributing to. And they sell also, I believe, personally. So as you can see here, this is their marketplace, and their pricing is just way higher. Now also I'm accepted to Addictive Stock. This is another one. And of course, Amazing Aerial, where I'm already a bit of a longer time online. Are you an experienced, talented aerial photographer or videographer looking to license your work online? Then Amazing Aerial could be the perfect fit for you. Amazing Aerial is a premium agency focused on high quality content and premium pricing. We help professional creators license their photos and videos through exclusive high-end media channels. Our newly developed platform is built for efficiency using AI-powered keywording to make uploading faster and easier than ever before. Amazing Aerial brings together a curated group of talented, like-minded professional creators from around the world. If you create outstanding aerial content that clients are searching for, I'd love to see your portfolio. I may be able to offer you a free lifetime membership valued at $997. Where I now have already 2,600 files online. So I think this is a good way to adding more agencies to my portfolio and ways to publish, and also in a higher price category. So hopefully this will help me get to my 100,000 goal quicker. Now, of course, you need to have exclusive files. So Amazing Aerial requires exclusive files, so I need to make all new content or content that has not been uploaded to other agencies as well. So that's what I'm doing right now. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and hit that subscribe button if you like to follow my journey on how to get to $100,000. So see you, bye bye.